Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And don't know country boy this, you know. Yeah man, so you see when I travel Jamaica, different areas normally I just walk in the backyard in the country, pick a coconut and drink it, you know. So I show you some areas in the countryside, some lane. Them call them place a lane in the countryside. But you don't know, I go wash off my heart this morning. Yeah man, wash off your heart with a coconut. So I know it's a country life sweet, you know. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Yard and abroad. Yeah man, see it? Ready for drink with people. Yeah man. Just real country life, you know. So I tell you about the country, you know. Every morning you get up, just go in the backyard. If you have a coconut tree, just drink a jelly. Also, mango season in Jamaica right now too. So I tell you my people. Tell them to say a mango time. Yeah man, them call it green skin. Yeah man, some people call it the blacky mango. Yeah man, see a lot of ripe mango. Yeah man, a lot of ripe mango. So we can't really dead for hungry in the country, you know. So everything in the backyard you can think about, everything. Mango time. Same speed. Yeah man, we have a merengue, you know. And them things have a lot of health benefits. A lot of health benefits. So morning time same way. See them pad thing here? Them small pad thing there. We can chew like about 3 of them a morning time on an empty stomach. Yeah man, it work like an antibiotic so we love in the country, you know. Them things are good for the body. Clean out the system. Them 3 pads. See after you drink the 3 of them, after you eat the 3 of them, it does consume some water. So you gotta have a bitter taste also, a sweet taste. But them things are good for you, them call it the merengue, you know. And also you see the blossom them here. The blossom them is very, very can make nice tea. Yeah man, so come in the backyard, just pick them and make some tea, you know. Some people like to quail it first. But the blossom, normally I do it green. But like all the leaf, I let it cool like all for 3 days. Welcome to the channel, beautiful people. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah man, so I show you some country lane in Jamaica because some people don't really know what the country look like different from the town area. You know, so on the countryside, sometimes you have bad road, sometimes you have good road. So on the countryside, all them road that we call them lane. So in that town, you know, so we call some road, some turn off, we call them street. But on the countryside, we call them lane, you know. So there is no place like the countryside, you know. So on the countryside, you see a lot of different types of things, a lot of different types of fruits, plant in them backyard, coconut tree, mango tree, apple tree. So big up on yourself anyone know watch from. Big up on yourself, you know, countryside, you know, say normally you would see all some grave on the countryside, in them home, in them backyard, front yard, and just so the country life set up. So most people prefer, it's all about what you prefer in a life still. If you want to live a country life or you want to live a town life. We all know the town life is more like a fast going thing. Some people like living in the Kingston City, Ocho Rios, Montego Bay. them place there, you know, it's a fast going place. But most like, you know, country people now, you know, them love them farming and thing, they love them land space. More time in that town, you know, have the land space to do your farming. So you have your advantage and disadvantage, you know. See this road condition, normally them pave it with, them call it asphalt. But you see, the road is really in a bad condition. Really, really bad condition. Normally, people who live in the lane, they wanna normally come together and fix the road. Sometimes, all depends. So I'm on the lane, so I'm taking up on the main road, which would take us to another lane. So this is the main road. So we're going on the main road now. So it's kind of a bit overcast today, as you can see. Like them I get some rain in the area. So you know, on the main, normally you would see different types of shops and restaurants. Also, off the main road, normally in the lane too, you always have your corner shop same way. Always have a restaurant, people do them look at cooking same way. So I saw the countryside set up. So I just want to give you an idea of the countryside set up. Yeah man, thank you all for watching the channel. Big up on yourself anywhere you know I watch from here and abroad. Big up on yourself. So when you're in the countryside, same way, you see everything in the countryside. You see different types of houses from different sizes. Everything in the country, same thing with the town, same way. It's just the environment kind of look a bit different. You know, say in the town area, the house them kind of very close together. You touch on the scheme side, them place they don't have as much space. If you move around in your backyard and them places, some places. Same way a country in the lane, them keep party same way. Yeah man, so when you're in the country, you can freelance, you know. Just freelance to the country. You know, a lot of residents sometimes they might wonder if them live in the countryside or the town side. But this is how some part of the country set up. When you're at the countryside now, you encounter a lot of bad lane. Them call them lane, as you can see. The road condition. So now we encounter a lot of it on the countryside. So leave in the comment section. You know, we can interact. You can tell me so you like the country. Tell me what you prefer. You like the town side or the countryside. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know what I go on. So when you're in the country, you can go get your banana, also your coconut or your mango. All them things you can get a country. When you're in the country, you go check your neighbor for one a banana, check him for some mango, check him for some coconut, cane, sugar cane, anything you feel like check your neighbor for. When you're in the town area, you're not gonna have them type of, you're not gonna have them a choice there. Because mostly people from the town here, them normally, them family member from country, always carry some grown product come give them from the countryside, of them sweet cassava, cocoa and dasheen, banana. So yeah man, so you see country, if you and your neighbor live good a country, don't have to worry yourself. Just remember, say, each one help one. Yeah man, each one help one. So if your neighbor have some banana, you have some sweet pepper, you all can exchange, you know, goods. So end of the day, you can have a proper meal, a proper dinner. So you have to help out one another. Yeah man, so you see on the main same way. Look a bit of the main, you see a lot of corn plant there. Some people think I want to live in the countryside. So nothing I go in the country because country life too slow. But it's not all the time the fast life I go work out.